In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Google Chrome homepage. We'll walk through this slowly and clearly so that by the end, your Chrome start page looks and feels exactly the way you want it to. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're on a new tab page, not an existing website. If you're not, you can open a new tab by clicking the small plus icon at the top of the window. This new tab is what Chrome uses as your homepage, and it's what we're going to customize. On the bottom right corner of this new tab page, you should see a small button that looks like a pencil or is labeled Customize Chrome or Customize this page. Go ahead and click that. This opens the main customization panel where all your options live. You'll see sections for things like background, shortcuts, and color and theme. Let's start with the background. Here you can choose from Chrome's built-in collections, such as landscapes, textures, or abstract designs. Or you can upload your own image from your computer. If you want something more personal, choose the option to upload an image and select a photo you like. Once you choose, Chrome will immediately show you a preview so you can see how it looks. Next, adjust your shortcuts, which are the small tiles of websites that appear on your homepage. In the customization panel, look for the shortcuts section. You can choose to show shortcuts that Chrome suggests based on your browsing. Or you can choose to manage them yourself. If you prefer full control, select the option that lets you customize them. Back on the homepage, you can add a shortcut by clicking Add Shortcut, then typing a name and the website address. You can also remove or edit existing ones by hovering over them and selecting the appropriate option. Now, let's change the overall look with colors and themes. In the Color and Theme section, you can pick from preset color schemes or create your own custom color. This will change the color of your tabs, toolbar, and some other elements, giving Chrome a more personalized feel. Click a color set you like and then apply it. Again, you'll see an instant preview, so feel free to experiment until you find something that's easy on your eyes. When you're happy with your background, shortcuts, and colors, simply close the customization panel. Your new homepage settings are saved automatically, so every time you open a new tab, you'll see your custom design.